So I wanted to make a quick tutorial because a lot of times people are not aware that you still have to clean the grates on top of your gas stove, and sometimes just regular scrubbing is not going to get them clean, and they have caked up, build up things from you actually cooking on it, and we want to make our things look pristine. So what you need to do is you need to, of course, the items that you need is you need the grates, you need an oven, and the oven needs to have a self-cleaning oven feature as well. And you're also going to need time because you need to be home. So you need to be able to be home. Most self-cleaning ovens are 3 hours. Sometimes they go up to 5 hours, but you're killing two birds with one stone. You're cleaning your oven and you're cleaning your grates at the same time. So here's my assistant putting in the grates into the oven. And then here is her taking them out and placing them and wiping them down. So very simple thing to do. I hope this helps you with maintaining your home. Make it a great day. If you have any real estate questions, give me a call at 240-284-4114.